Namaskar dear children. So today our next topic of chapter 2, separation of mixture. Student, as we have discussed about the mixture, when we are mixed together any substance like solid, liquid and solid. So when we are mixed two and three more substances, it will form a mixture. But next a very important topic of this chapter is where how we separate the mixture. Suppose we mix the salt and water, right? It will form a mixture, but how we separate salt and water? If we mix the sand and salt, how we separate? So these are the topic, these are the example we will study in our next lesson, upcoming lessons. And today I am starting next topic of this chapter, a very important topic, separation of mixture. First of all, we everyone knows about that the mixture is formed by their constituents. जो हम mixtures में मिलाते हैं, these are the constituents. So first of all, mixtures have two or more than two substances or constituents. मिक्सचर्स बने होते हैं टू और मोर सब्सटेंसेस और कॉन्स्टिट्यूट्स मिक्स्ड इन देम, जो कि आपस में मिक्स्ड होते हैं, मिक्स्ड इन देम. द मेथड टू बी यूज्ड फॉर सेपरेटिंग मिक्सचर डिपेंड ऑन द नेचर ऑफ इट्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूट. जो हमें सेपरेशन करना है स्टूडेंट पार्टिकल्स को मिक्सचर से, वो डिपेंड करता है उनके नेचर पे कि what is the nature of the mixture. Suppose we are mixed with water and salt, so how we separate them? It will depend on the constituent of their nature of its constitute. Right. Next is various physical process which are used to separate the constituents of mixture are given below. What are the physical process which we are using to separate the mixtures? These are the following. Physical process. Everyone knows about the filtration. There is a filtration also, right? Student, we are watching in our house also कि we are making a tea. So how we separate a tea leaves from water and milk? We can filtrate. Filtration we are using for separating. So first is the filtration. Second is sublimation. Student, everyone knows about the sublimation. Sublimation is a process when solid directly convert into vapor without convert into liquid. Third is magnet. We can use the magnet also to separate the iron particles. Iron constitutes को separate करने के लिए हम magnet को use करते हैं. Solvent. When we are mix water and salt, हमने mix कर दिया तो water as a solvent we are using for separate the salt, right? Then evaporate, the water will be evaporate and we will get the salt. Centrifugation, how can we separate butter from cream? क्रीम से बटर को कैसे हम सेपरेट करेंगे? So we are using the centrifugation method. Every method we will study in our next lesson. And evaporation, everyone knows about the evaporation. What is the evaporation? When water heat, so that is it, water convert into vapor. It is the evaporation. Crystallization, solid form crystal found होना, obtained होना, it is known as the crystallization. Distillation, miscible liquids, volatile, non-volatile substance को separate करने के लिए distillation. Fractional distillation, it's a very important. Fractional distillation and separating funnel two miscible liquids. How can we separate by the two miscible liquid and two immiscible liquid? How can we separate two immiscible liquid? We separate immiscible liquid by separating funnel. So these are the physical process. So if according to this process we can separate the mixture, we can separate the constituent of a mixture. So again I divide this. The method to be used for separating mixture depend on the nature of its constituents, right? Various physical mixture. The method to be used for separating mixtures depend on the nature of its constituents, and the method is, note down this all method. So everyone note down, and next I will starting a next topic. How can we separate first solid to solid, solid to liquid, and liquid to liquid. So first everyone note down this, students. So let's start student separation of mixture. First is the mixture of two solids. First is the mixture of two solids. When we mix two solids to each other like sand and salt. अगर हमने sand and salt को mix कर दिया है, या हमने mix कर दिया sugar and salt, sugar and sand. So how can we separate the mixtures when we are mixed together into solid? So students, here is a different method to separate the solids when they mix together. First is suitable solvent. As everyone knows about what is the solvent. The solvent is the substance which dissolve a solid, जिसमें solid को dissolve किया जाता है, that is the solvent. जिसमें हमें जो mix करना होता है वो हमारा solvent होता है. Sublimation, you everyone knows about the sublimation and the magnet. So here first I am starting a suitable solvent. Students, suppose I am making an example of the mixture of the sugar and sand, right? Both are solid. I am taking first example of sugar and sand, right? First both are the solid. So I am making a one beaker and we mix sugar and sand, right? These are the mixture. We have to separate both of them. So what we do? First we add a water. We add a water. इसमें water को add करेंगे. Add water. So sand. This is the sand and water is. This is the water. When we mix sugar and sand in water, when water mix किया तो sugar is completely miscible in the water. Sugar completely mix हो जाती है water के अंदर. तो एक solution हमारे पास आ जाएगा. ये यहाँ पे हमारे पास है ये water and this is the sand, and water में sugar जो है हमारी mix हो गई है water के अंदर. I hope you clear about it. Sugar and sand हमने mixture लिया है, हमने उसमें वाटर ऐड कर दिया है. वाटर ऐड करने से शुगर वाटर में मिक्स हो गई है एंड हमारे पास रह गया है sand. So first what we have to separate it. First we have to separate the sand. But how can we separate sand? We can separate sand by the filtration. So suitable solvent हमने यहाँ पे क्या यूज किया है? Water. What suitable solvent we are using here? We are using here suitable solvent is water. Sand हमारा remaining रह जाएगा below indica. So we can use filtration. In filtration we can use the filter paper, right? And filtration. So this is the filtrate. In here this is the filtrate water and sugar solution. What is this solution? This is the solution of water and sugar solution, and here is the sand. Here is the sand. So sand separate हो गई है, water and sugar separate है. अब हमें water क्या separate करना है student? We have to separate the sugar also. So this liquid we then next we evaporate them. Next we evaporate them, the water will evaporate and we get the crystal of the sugar. We get the crystal of a sugar. So this is the complete process of separate the sugar and sand mixture. Also the example of we can use the example of the salt and sand also. Salt we are using in our home also. So we can use the salt and sand mixture of also. So I hope you all understood this. First process is add water. When we are adding water, we got the solution, water and sand, water and sugar solution, and sand remaining bottom of the beaker. So next, what is the process? This is the filtration. solid. When we studied in chapter 1, we have studied what is the sublimation. When solid substance directly convert into liquids, directly convert solid to vapor, this is known as the sublimation. When solid directly convert into vapor without convert into liquid state, this is known as the sublimation. So student, here I am taking one example of ammonium chloride. The formula of the ammonium chloride is NH4Cl. Ammonium chloride and salt, both are the solid substance. Ammonium chloride and salt, both are the solid substance, and we have to separate off. So how can we separate? We know that the ammonium chloride is a sublime substance. Ammonium chloride is a sublime substance. So we have to separate by the sublimation. So student, this is here we are taking a one tripod state China dish. In China dish I am taking a mixture of salt and ammonium chloride. Mixture of salt and ammonium chloride. Here we can use the inverted glass funnel. Inverted glass funnel हमने इस पे रख दिया है, right? And we are using the cotton plug, right? And start heating. Start हमने बर्नर को ऑन कर दिया, हीट करना. So what is the mixture? The mixture is salt and ammonium chloride. Salt and ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is a sublime substance. So first ammonium chloride is heat up and it convert into vapor and it collected toward the funnel, right? So ammonium chloride is heated first because it's a sublime substance. So and it collected toward BN funnel. We are using a cotton plug here. Why we are using cotton plug here? We are using cotton plug is here, that so the ammonium chloride don't move outside. So we are using a cotton plug here, right? So after the cool the vapor, the pure ammonium chloride we get from the funnel. After the cool of ammonium chloride, जब अमोनियम क्लोराइड की जो वेपर है वो कूल हो जाएगी तो हमें प्योर अमोनियम क्लोराइड यहाँ पे फनल से मिल जाएगा. यहाँ से अमोनियम क्लोराइड की वेपर जो है वो बाहर ना जा सके, ड्यू टू एस्केप ना हो सके, बाहर ना जा सके, इसलिए हमें इसको यहाँ पे ही कॉटन प्लग का यूज किया है, राइट? So I hope you all are clear about the sublimation process. This sublimation process also we have discussed in our chapter 1 also. So next is the magnet. First we are separating solid to solid by solvent, by using suitable solvent. Then sublimation process. Sublimation process, solid directly convert to vapor. So when in this mixture ammonium chloride it convert into vapor. So what will remaining in this China dish? China dish remaining a salt. Here is a remaining a salt. Next is a magnet. So student, everyone knows about what is the magnet. Magnet is a use of to separate the iron material. जब हमें iron material को separate करना है, so we are using the magnet. So here is an example of mixture of iron filling. We are taking example of mixture of iron fillings and sulfur powder. So in China dish, I am taking a mixture. I am taking a mixture of iron fillings and sulfur powder. Iron fillings and sulfur powder. So first we take a magnet. जब हम magnet इसके पास ले जाएंगे तो iron filling clings into the magnet. Iron fillings magnet के चिपक जाएगी and remaining क्या रह जाएगा? sulfur powder. So इस तरीके से हमारे two solids जो कि मिक्सचर किसका था हमारा? आयरन फिलिंग और सल्फर पाउडर. आयरन फिलिंग और सल्फर पाउडर जो है हमारे इस तरीके से सेपरेट हो गए हैं. तो स्टूडेंट आई होप यू ऑल आर क्लियर अबाउट द टुडेज टॉपिक. फर्स्ट इज sugar and sand. We can use the salt and sand also. This is ammonium chloride and salt because ammonium chloride is a sublime substance. That's why we are using the sublimation method. Next is the iron filling and sulfur. Iron filling can be separated by the magnet. That's why we are using this method. So there is a more example also. We can sublime is the iodine also a sublime substance. So for the separation of the mixture, we can use this method. So student, next is the separation of mixture of solid and liquid. We will discuss tomorrow classes. So for today, you all of you note down this complete notes and diagrams, and detailed notes I will provide in form of PDF. So today our topic is separation of mixture of two solids. So everyone you have to note down in your register. Thank you so much.